Hello everyone and welcome to this how to get to Bassin 7 on Aarhus tutorial. I have to be a little quiet on this one because my mom's sleeping in the next room and I don't want to wake her up, but basically like what you're gonna do is like we're gonna start at the big road. So this is where you find hookers in the corner, and the dead bane is going from here. So if you want to hijack trains, this is pretty much like you go to spot. Yeah, here we got pretty sexy hooker, if I have to say so myself. Yeah, outfucker. So again, you can play like the fishing minigame over here. Pretty cool. And if we go down the line on fucking okay, so I know last time I didn't really show the hack right, but this is pretty much like the map hack. You can like go down here, just fucking click whatever you fucking want. Yeah, got all the mods installed, fucking all the bots. So you wanna like follow across the tower, but before the, the big apartments here, then go out. I'm playing in beta 1.3 right now, so it's not gonna look exactly like yours. But like pretty much, it's like the same, but you have like a bridge out here and shit. So you can use like this hack on Saturdays where you get in for free. But it's pretty optional. I would just like pay the $3 a month, to be honest, to like fucking the sauna shit. So yeah, this is Basin 7. As you can see, it says this is Danish for Basin 7. Fuck many bitches, don't do work. Yeah, so yeah.